Hello, in front of me I've got CS2. In this video I'll show you how to call locations on the Inferno map. In the beginning, let's start with T spawn. From T, let's go to B. Here, we've got ledge and T ramp. Next, we can find living room, balcony, and T apartments. Sorry, here is bridge and here is balcony. This is second meet. Now let's go back. Here we've got banana. Here we've got logs. Here we've got car. I know there is no car right now because they removed it and placed barrels. And here we've got Sandbox. Let's go to the B side. Here we've got the first boost, second boost, quad, fountain, dark, coffins, and garden. Here we've got construction or church and sandbox. Let's go to the city spawn. Here we've got the tree, truck, Speedway, arch, and kitchen. From kitchen we go to library, and here we've got A-long. Here we've got top meat, boiler, city aparts, underpass, and second meet. This is the window, and this is stairs. This is underpass. Now let's take a look at the A side. Here we've got the backside, close left, A short, patio, city ups, pit, and stairs. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.